Wall stencils, the secret to effortless DIY home transformations. Hello everyone, welcome to yet another exciting episode of Gharpedia. Today we are diving into creative wall stencil ideas that will turn your plain and dull walls into stunning masterpieces. Are you looking to give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank? Wall stencils are the perfect DIY solution to transform plain walls into stunning works of art. From accent walls to intricate mandala designs, stencils offer endless possibilities to personalize your space. Let's dive into the world of wall stencils and explore 16+ inspiring ideas to elevate your home decor. A stencil is simply a template, helpful for drawing or designing repeated patterns. Laser cut from industrial standard plastic, these tools make it easy to create professional-looking designs without any artistic skills. Wall stencils mimic the look of a wallpaper at a fraction of the cost. Unlike decals, they don't damage your walls and can be used on ceilings, floors, and furniture too. So let's begin with the accent wall stencils. Accent walls can bring a dynamic and modern touch to any room. Inspired by natural elements, architecture, and geometric shapes, these stencils add depth and personality to your space. Full wall stencils. Full wall stencils create a cohesive design that spans across the entire surface. Perfect for bedrooms and living rooms, these stencils make a bold statement without the commitment of wallpaper. Floral wall stencils. Nothing brings nature indoors quite like floral wall stencils. Whether you prefer dainty lilies or vibrant tropical flowers, floral patterns add a fresh and inviting ambience. Geometric wall stencils. For those who love contemporary design, geometric wall stencils are the way to go. With sharp lines and symmetrical shapes, these patterns add a modern and structured aesthetic. Moroccan patterns. Moroccan stencil designs add a touch of exotic elegance. Their repetitive curved patterns bring an old-world charm to your interiors, making them ideal for traditional decor styles. Text and messages. Why not add a personal touch with text and message stencils? From motivational quotes to calligraphy scripts, these stencils allow you to incorporate meaningful words into your decor. That's not it. You can also customize them as per your taste and preferences. Mandala patterns. Mandalas are more than just designs. They symbolize inner peace and mindfulness. Transform your space into a serene retreat with intricate mandala stencil art. If you think mandala arts are tedious to draw, reusable mandala kits are available for you to quickly complete your DIY projects. Urban jungle stencils. Bring the outdoors in with an urban jungle stencil. Featuring leafy patterns, botanical elements, and even wildlife, these designs are perfect for nature lovers. Celestial designs. Turn your walls into a celestial masterpiece. Star and constellation stencils add a magical and dreamy atmosphere, especially in children's rooms. Maps and routes. Travel enthusiasts, this one's for you. Map stencils let you showcase your love for exploration while doubling as an educational decor piece. Damask and motif patterns. Inspired by vintage damask fabric, these elegant patterns add a regal and sophisticated touch to your living space. They look the best in traditional or vintage style decor. Metallic accents and gradients. Want to add a touch of glamour? Metallic and gradient stencils bring a luxurious shimmer to your decor, making your walls look high-end. It is a simple way to add a touch of modernity and sophistication to any room. Nature silhouettes. Silhouette stencils of trees, birds, and mountains create a tranquil and natural ambience, perfect for minimalist and nature-inspired interiors. These stencils will surely bring harmony into your space with their unique charm and character. Paisley stencils. Paisley stencils add a whimsical and artistic touch. Whether large-scale or intricate, these swirling patterns can make any room feel more vibrant and livelier. A single oversized paisley or mere repetition of the motif, you can create magic either way. With its adaptability and timeless character, a paisley stencil offers endless possibilities for personalizing your space. Monochrome stencils. For a bold and sophisticated look, monochrome stencils use high contrast designs to make a striking visual impact. Monochrome stencils excel at creating optical illusions. Slight variations in shading can add depth and movement, making your walls a true statement piece. With their clean aesthetic and versatility, monochrome stencils let you craft a sleek, sophisticated, and undeniably modern space. Celebrity stencils. Showcase your admiration for your favorite icons with celebrity stencils. Whether it's Audrey Hepburn or a modern music star, these designs are perfect conversation starters. Whether you choose a single large-scale stencil or repeat motif, this is surely a fun way to express your fandom. With these wall stencil ideas, you can effortlessly add character and style to your home. Affordable, easy to use and reusable, wall stencils are the ultimate DIY home decor solution. Tell your opinion in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such spectacular home decor ideas.